What should you do if you or your prep center sends an ASIN, sent a product to the wrong ASIN? There's a few things that you can do. There's actually one thing that you can do that I just learned not too long ago to actually change your SKU, change your products, like actually remap your products and remap your SKU, because this is exactly what it is called. It is called SKU remapping. You can take your products and put it on another ASIN. So the product that you send to FBA warehouses, you can remap them to be on another ASIN if you made a mistake. Back then, when I didn't know how to do it, I remember some people asked me, it was not common knowledge. But no, it's actually quite easy to do, and this is what we are going to talk about in today's video. Before we start, 2 links in the description. One-on-one coaching if you want to scale your business, first link in the description. Second link is going to be for the Discord server. So if you want to build a network, best way to do it, come on a Discord server and go starting and out over there. Start answering people's questions. Start just interacting with people, asking questions, sharing your experience, and soon enough you'll make some friends and the journey will be way more fun and you will grow way faster. It will be way easier to grow if you actually start building a network. So do it now, join the Discord server, and if you need help scaling your business, book a call right now. I'm going to travel some more next week, so I will not have that many availability. So book a call right now if you want to have your coaching before Christmas. So as I was saying, if you made a mistake, you can actually do what is called an SKU remapping, and how you would do it is pretty easy. This video is not going to be too long, okay? You are just going to go to the case log, okay? You go to the case log and you actually, so what you would type in a message is that you want to do an SKU remapping. You just send them your ASIN, so the ASIN on which you send the product, or the SKU that you have, you just send them the SKU, because if you go to your inventory, you have the ASIN and you have the SKU, okay? The SKU, stock keeping units, you know what it is. So you send them the SKU and you send them the ASIN on which you want the SKU to be mapped to, okay, to remap. So you just tell them, hey, I just sent this product on ASIN, I just sent this SKU, so here's the SKU, here's the batch, here's the SKU. So SKU ABCD to ASIN B07856, and it was a mistake. I want you to remap, if possible, this specific SKU to this ASIN instead, ASIN B08 D57XYZ, okay? And so just by doing this, they're going to transfer your message to the right department in the case log, and they are going to be able to remap your SKU, and so you do not have to do a removal order and send back your inventory. So it's pretty easy. This is just what you need to do. Not too hard. Quick tip of the day that I learned recently, and that can potentially save you a lot of money and save you a lot of trouble if you are doing it, if you make a mistake, or if your prep center makes a mistake as well. Do the ASIN remapping, do the SKU remapping, go to the case log, ask for SKU remapping, send them on which ASIN you want the SKU to be, and they will do it for you. Pretty easy. Hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. By the way, shout out to VibeCheck on the Discord server, who is a moderator on the Discord server, that actually told me this. I did not know. So shout out to you, and thanks everyone. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.